Are you a medical student looking for the perfect laptop to tackle your demanding studies? Look no further. In this video, we'll dive into the best laptops of 2024 for medical students. From powerful processors to stunning displays, we've got you covered. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Let's find the ideal laptop to help you excel in your medical career. Number 1. Apple MacBook Air M2, 2022. It's common to see Apple laptops topping the charts, but for medical students, the MacBook Air stands out as the better choice over the MacBook Pro. Here's why. Weighing just 2.7 to 3.3 pounds depending on the model, the MacBook Air is lightweight and easy to carry between lecture halls and clinics. Available in 13.6-inch and 15.3-inch sizes, it offers options for both compact portability and expanded screen space. Powered by the Apple M2 processor, it's excellent for multitasking, managing medical apps, and browsing, though not as robust as the M2 Pro or Max in the Pro models. The Liquid Retina display is bright and clear, and the battery life easily lasts through a full day. With its durable aluminum chassis, comfortable keyboard, and reliable trackpad, the Air excels in build quality. Though it has fewer ports than the Pro, the Air's speed, slim profile, and affordability make it the ideal choice for medical student. Number 2. Acer Swift 3 OLED. For medical students who need crystal-clear screens, the Acer Swift 3 OLED is a standout budget option. Its anti-glare OLED display is bright, bold, and accurate, with a resolution of 2880 by 1800, providing ample space for multiple windows. The Swift 3 often comes at a price that's hard to beat. Inside, the choice between Intel Core i5 or i7 processors ensures ample power for various tasks. The i5 handles most workloads and multitasking well, while the i7 is better suited for simulations and intensive applications. With 16 gigabytes of RAM, the Swift 3 can easily keep up with demanding medical studies. The laptop boasts up to 14 hours of battery life and weighs just 3 pounds, making it suitable for long days. It features Wi-Fi 6E, Thunderbolt 4, USB 4, and HDMI 2.1 for excellent connectivity, plus a webcam and fingerprint reader. The eco-friendly Ocean Glass trackpad adds to its environmental appeal. While it may lack the premium build and discrete GPU of more expensive models, these trade-offs are minor. Overall, the Acer Swift 3 OLED is a solid choice for medical students seeking performance on a budget. Number 3. Razer Blade 14. If you're a medical student who also wants to game, the Razer Blade 14 is the ideal choice. Weighing just under 4 pounds, it's compact and easy to carry between lectures and clinicals. Its sleek black design is understated, so it doesn't scream gaming laptop while still being highly durable, perfect for a busy lifestyle. Inside, the Razer Blade 14 features NVIDIA GPUs that handle high-end games with ease, while the AMD processor is more than capable of medical tasks. The laptop's bright, high-resolution screen is great for medical work, and its 240Hz refresh rate caters to esports enthusiasts. The quiet, comfortable keyboard is ideal for extended typing sessions. Connectivity is robust with full-size USB ports, USB-C, HDMI output, and Wi-Fi 6E. It also includes a 1080p webcam with facial recognition. However, the battery life is a downside, offering only 6 to 7 hours on a good day, and there's no card reader. Starting at $1,799, it's on the pricier side, but the Razer Blade 14 offers the performance and versatility needed for both medical studies and gaming. Number 4. Lenovo Yoga Book 9i. For medical students who need versatility, the Lenovo Yoga Book 9i is an outstanding choice. This 2-in-1 laptop adapts seamlessly between laptop, tablet, and tent modes, making it perfect for various tasks like studying, presentations, and touch input. The high-resolution OLED touchscreen, paired with the included stylus, excels in note-taking and annotating, offering excellent clarity for medical work. While the low-power Intel processor handles everyday tasks, multitasking, and multiple browser tabs with ease, it might struggle with complex simulations and data analysis. Weighing just 3 pounds, the Yoga Book 9i is lightweight and stylish, built to withstand daily use. It boasts all-day battery life, good connectivity options, and strong privacy and security features. Lenovo's renowned keyboard adds to its appeal. With its speed, versatility, and durability, the Yoga Book 9i is a top contender for medical students looking for a reliable 2-in-1 device. Number 5. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch, 2023. This is an exceptional laptop, delivering top-tier performance across the board. While it may be overkill for many medical students due to its high price and excessive computing power, it's the ideal choice if you need the utmost performance for simulations, data analysis, and other demanding tasks. With the Apple M2 Pro and Max chips, there's almost nothing this laptop can't handle. It can be configured with ample RAM and storage, ensuring you have all the power you need. The large Liquid Retina XDR display offers high resolution and stunning clarity, making medical diagrams and apps appear in sharp detail. The Pro excels in connectivity with numerous ports, superb audio-visual features, and strong security. Its battery life is outstanding, lasting up to 20 hours to support even the longest medical days. However, it weighs just under 5 pounds and starts at $2,499, making it quite pricey. If you need the best Apple has to offer, the MacBook Pro is the way to go. So, which laptop is the ultimate choice for medical students in 2024? After careful consideration, the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch 2023 emerges as the winner. Its powerful M2 Max chip, stunning Liquid Retina XDR display, and long battery life make it the best overall option for medical students who need a high-performance machine.